The music staff is a set of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces that are used to notate music. Notes are placed on these lines and spaces to indicate their pitch, meaning how high or low a note sounds. The treble clef, also known as the G clef, is used to notate music for higher pitched instruments such as the violin, flute and guitar. The clef symbol wraps around the second line of the staff, which represents the note G. The bass clef, also known as the F clef, is used to notate music for lower pitched instruments such as the bass guitar, cello and double bass. The clef symbol encircles the 4th line of the staff, which represents the note F. You now know the basics of the music staff and the treble and bass clefs. With these tools you're ready to start reading and writing music.
I put together a playlist and gives you everything you need to know.